cast a team be free competition. But I do. So what check the kind of results I remember then in recent times. Abro Omoko, Craft Arena. Echo really 2-1. No more power home team my friend Ajax Amsterdam. Let's show 4-1 to tell you something. PSG giving them 3-0 to tell you something. Say Madrid are in for trouble. It's just a name master. And for Real Madrid to play 578 games for the first time, Omamo a shot on target, tells you it was a name master. There should be a change. There should be a transition. It will take time, it will take him rare. Say them cast 32 years, 10 years, 5 years, and some Madrid 18 years hated the grand run in the European competition. I start taking the same dimension. They can bounce back, they have the quality to bounce back. But so checking the demeanor of the Real Madrid players on the field of play. What check your motivational level on the field of play. What check your goalkeeper now that pole in the more 40 games, 56 goals conceded. The last 2 UEFA Champions League, he has conceded 7 goals. That is a difficult task for a Madrid team. It's a bit yamrekaka. And clearly, they were exposed yesterday. So check here, Miss Rodriguez, Bona and Obana. You be at yourself on passion cry. It was only Gary Bale. In as much as somebody to say, technically and tactically yesterday, on went to me and Marty PSG. I also feel the players are not well motivated enough to play in the Champions League because they've won everything. Into the reality, they say, Zinedine did not bet me a year, Jumana, because Wako and Wasaba. And so, what's a man with change coaches, no more change coaches? A chose a crown or more highly called against the same rim. Junelle Pitegi, Santiago Solari, and out is Zinedine Zidane. I mean, just a year. I feel pet and Abba, Real Madrid are using 3 coaches. It's taking the same period, are taking the same dimension from Manuel Pellegrini, Jose dos Santos, Mourinho, Mario Felix, to Carlo Ancelotti. Are taking that same shape. Where corner we are, and then the Madrid team now go to a certain level. So should be beer. They will need a bit of changes in the setup. And players almost the buy, Eden Hazard. Just an awful day. And clearly, who said, go through a certain level. But you may agree. Say, team because he rock on there, Babaka. They would need time, they will need different changes to live up to expectation. And no, Hazard was just a disaster. Baby, if you born 20 minutes, now be because a Hazard has overborn. And I'm so. The confidence level of Hazard, so a bad bedroom ball, not the ball they ran it to Thomas Munier. No. I agree that PSG has improved tactically because Senra say a first now and Coco to number 2 to Omubia. But see why he positioned Marcus Marquinhos Correa. See why he positioned Idrissa Gana Gueye. See why he positioned Marco Verratti. 2 double pivot to protect his back four. And clearly Marquinhos was all over. Clearly Idrissa Gana Gueye brought what was missing in the PSG team for years. The anchor man, the more power, the screener, the protector, the destroyer. Obi best self formation from the opponent. That is a dear this again again. The man team my friend of PSG. And so Marquinhos will free. Now who's under her bar? Now the Leandro Paredes to bench a host of quality in a certain area. The game is played in midfield. Teams are in the Champions League check their midfield and the sacrificial job are more than 50. And I know it was a typical payback time for 2 Madrid players. Fabian Angel Di Maria and Keylor Navas. Keylor Navas are here be beer for Madrid. Real Madrid they don't appreciate anything. Until I'm betting a who Ronaldo. Until I'm betting a who Zidane. Until I'm betting a who Sergio Ramos. Until I'm betting a who Alfredo Stefano. They've seen everything. Every quality in top football, they've seen it in the Omon found. Until it was a time for Keylor Navas to pay Madrid by Sadian Oye. No deserve a certain position in the team. Until don't pull Oye, now just about Kukuram them. And clearly you saw it. Di Maria, every Real Madrid non-sign. But a host of a certain politics. And they didn't free or call for poor Manchester United and or by PSG. It was an appropriate time for them to pay them back. And then now be here from left to the right to the center. And at a certain point he was playing false 9. he turned the Madrid defense into 6s and 7s. Eder Militao, Rafael Varane, Dani Carvajal, Ferland Mendy. Most of these French guys are highly overrated, to be very honest. No one Timmy Di Maria. And it tells you the balance of the PSG team. Meaning, at this particular time, I'm quiet to say that they'll be on me. Because to beat Madrid without Neymar, Cavani, Kylian Mbappe, it tells you the quality that you bring to the table. It is Real Madrid. Into Madrid supporters in Nyabotre. Meaning, sir, the Daniel Kuo sadder than you know, it is bigger. He will be playing Sevilla over the weekend. And coach at Real Madrid, the Pamano, William Lopetegui, and a coach for that Sevilla team. I'm going to start the first in the Spanish La Liga. Next week, he will be playing against Atletico Madrid. Very difficult task, Adam. Very, very difficult. The Daniel Bayern on try said Jumano transition no bet me aye. Because players or do on Bayern, Ferland Mendy, Eder Militao, Luka Jovic, Rodrigo goals. Some players or do on Bayern, Eden Hazard. Only Eden Hazard the pet and a starter in the team. Eder Militao started no idea. But clearly you could see he's a guy for the future. Clearly you could see say a personality up front. This year man had that time, Kaka. It that is for Madrid. The supporters should understand. Say, the club have everything to bounce back. But at this particular point in time, they are in a transitional period. It may take time. We hear Toni Kroos. We hear Rafael Varane. We hear Dani Carvajal. We hear James Rodriguez. Karim Benzema is always on parade, ready to sacrifice and give the goals to Real Madrid. Gareth Bale. Ado. Emre. Omuntom Boasaka. Baby Omakwa Kodino Mapem. Into some more back here. They should give the damn time. I feel say that Jose will be in a proper position. And Tekra. So Garabakan. Jose beat me a room more. Because much is dead than no. But I'm not there. All the credit should go to PSG. They deserve to beat Real Madrid and beat them well. They dominated proceedings. They dominated in terms of tackles and interceptions. In terms of possession. In terms of a team and who are ready on the day to get the maximum points, it was PSG. And the venue has been a hell for the European Grandmasters in recent times, especially when it comes to the group stage. Into PSG Lusuya, but once again, it is early days yet. Okay. But once again, watch out for the PSG team. The host of quality are on one in the department and they're quite a baby. And look at how their fullbacks add up in attack. Thomas Meunier started ball back. And on one side, and Chen Wambena. And see, my queen of Suba, now that heard about me, the name of the count. Now in Mbappe, they didn't want to Cavani to bench. This is a host of quality. That is it to play for Barcelona, Real Madrid, and the host of other things. It was all over for see my friend PSG. Ball almost born in Rano. Top quality football. And I feel said the Madridistas, they should take it. And I feel said with the transitional period, a bit take time there. But Zidane will do my adult. When you're careful, I will be fired by next week.
Okay, I know you're Andy Cam. Maxwell,
no special day. Special day, pa. No director, Mr. Oscar Menu birthday.
Okay.
Yes, of course. It's a special day. It was so special to me. It's my wishing a special happy birthday.
Okay.
And I mean, she had my wife, Mama. Yes, I only to be 98.3. Not the oil and on yes, I'm why and Cosro, Yamisha and Cosro. Oscar Menu director. Sanity. Now, the money, especially we are Estiboat Enterprise, and you see another boutique or town. Or my director, a friend Daddy Boat. Yes, or name you remember Esther. Almost all there, and the last time they come boys, no more being there be almost they be at the drew birthday. I'm a cancer.
Let me be so Oscar, then I can birthday back. We producer.
Oh, no, so
Philemon Amponsa. My friend KT.
And to only your
friend JT. And then birthday.
Or John Terry.
What on the dressing?
More fun.
No PM session of the Michael Jackson PM of
to only director Oscar McNady birthday and a happy birthday. Or so it's all almost and Qualano. On bad on Papa Crab be out to different station, no one in April. Until you're the hot 24/7. Our boys singing. And now, say, see, I'll fair Duma, baby, that's all. That is a doom. We are everywhere. Be doom a stronghold. Yes. Baby, our doom, all the shops. Into DJ Essentials. And it's another boutique.
If you're doing that,
say adum ya me hide out say me work ma say na me free adum na me te
and I'm say ufi on eba
de bia ya me ko hoba
oh
good it's the DJ Mr Prince Ofori appear unso omo no de ye betuma ya mo ma ne say ye be mo mention na ye wi ani akọ Ecobank aheye
Ecobank office say we ro Ecobank is
some no listen some more anything banking to say bi amopemwa na wakọ ye guy back o your friend Harry your ta friend Zizu ye crew no mfa ye ni agro nti bibia am hia bia na o say mobile bebo am ono so 8 show no na e ka say me making nkra o ka say me making nkra
okay so
o say baby o wo no omo mani hu omo nim so ye Madrid ni nti o mpeso omo hu so o ka bi mo na de so omo ye no maye now yen sha say uko Europe am obia o say football ankasa na Europe ni South American level no e was so na waba Africa instead of wako Asia na wako he ebia the CONCACAF one e North and Central America instead of wako the Oceania area Oceania hono ene wofom but of course only 14 nations into hona team or strong Australia but Australia who say so mo bo World Cup qualifies no mo top ho nyina but sa for top Oceania kwa won qualify I say what signing your friend is saying South America for the obedi fifth no abebo playoffs now so one year like in Abia Argentina form enye Uruguay form enye no mo ko di fifth now ko show man say World Cup no mo nko enti Australia for fast o mo adwane no mo abese Asia so what I say it's so ho na emugo because how many New Zealand and Vanuatu money ade ne de Tonga money ade de emfa enti sa enete but who share Europe? FIFA or 211, 211 members. I'm gonna join FIFA. Good. Now Europe or 55, Africa or 56, Asia or 47, CONCACAF North and Central America or 41, Oceania or 14, and a CONMEBOL South America or more 10. Good. Now, so it will interest you to know, say, still in Europe, crown countries be or and a state be hormone FIFA. Ocean countries are nippers so all over the world. They are about 300 and over, but FIFA only 211. You understand? Until we will say Monaco. Who's a Monaco? It's a country on its own, although it's a city. Now, Greenland. Now it was Scandinavia. No about Isle of Man. No about Jay-Z. No about Gense. Omo nyina wo ho a omo nye part of FIFA. But of course Jay-Z crowd omo apply en 2018 ana ye denounce say ye mo omo nye dey enko because they are affiliated to the English FA. Okay, Gibraltar enche bia na ye je omo tum mba nye san ko omo so kan. Even in Europe no about 1 2 3 4 5 territories are omo nye members of FIFA. So what it means is that Monaco will play for France. So what I say? So they are direct affiliated with France. Now your friends say Jay-Z any guess in the phone. So we are good at you play for England. But it'll be a fight this one also by your own member. And over Africa cry now no say Tanzania and Zanzibar. Now Zanzibar is also yet part of CAF until recently I'm working it out. Now they have to play for it because it was Tanzania for a D almost. Now anytime you back Europe no. Obia dream is oh Europe you be an bobo and tesa. Okay. I saw Africa obia dream so yenim bobo and I see yenimbo and tesa. Teams be brave, country be brave Europe and come Africa and come qualifying for Nations Cup. Meaning so what I say. So it is the same. It is a ocean clearly park rank Africa hano. Or compare Africa from the top to the bottom. That ocean Europe top to the bottom and Africa the end cry much closer than that of Europe. Okay, good. Ocean national teams were European competitions at club and camp from the 17 up to the senior level, 19 to 21 the senior level. And man and men Spain and they dominating. Oh my J titles pa. Spain Ecuador 43. And over club level so Spain soon as dominating. It make us say when you talk of football in Europe, Spain are dominating. Say Obiaje World Cup 4, Obiaje 1, Obiaje 3, but talk of all the competitions I about the national level from the 17 up to wherever there is Euro for Bibia boom. It is Spain that dominating.
Yes, sir.
We are now about Germany, also with 35. Now about France 18, England 15, Russia 14, Italy 13, Portugal 13, Netherlands 9, Sweden 5, and the Czech Republic 4. Into Ocean Europe, out of 55 nations, no, so for 24 nations, and I get title. What I say, out of 55 nations, they move 24, and I get title because of Magic Car from under 17 and memo up to the senior level. Good. And it's a whole percentage. For the second, at least, or more close to half, which is good. But the back your countries who are Europe on a level of form. For example, all started country back with Estonia. FIFA ranking, they are ranked 100. If we are seeing a football, but also 100, they are in Europe. Now about Faroe Islands, only 108. Now about Azerbaijan, only 109. Now about my friend Kazakhstan, only 112. Now we are about Kosovo. Kosovo is 120, 120th in the world. Now Lithuania, only 130th. Now about Latvia, 134. Andorra 156, Moldova 171, that's 171st. What I say? Now about Malta 181st. Now about Liechtenstein 182, Gibraltar 198, and San Marino 211. Into a Maya or repower bomb one yard the bomb over Europe.
Okay.
What I say? Good. Now San Marino, my mom wake a crap, na me fancy. Oba last 155 matches of my bar. Or one winning one. Said National Zenka Ghana bought matches are competitors are 155. You winning one. One across Liechtenstein. Now Sawosha almost 23 goals. And he has almost 667 goals. It's not to say San Marino bought that 155 matches on my bottle. Match be your man consider goal at least 4.3. Let's say close to 4.5 goals per match.
Oh, okay.
And no much. It's me at first I'm correct say no. Me should be you on my top scorers in Shadi. Say if this is the record, and what I saw was that in the last 66 World Cup qualifiers on my ball since 1994, so for most record near 66 games, 2 draws, 64 losses, 310 goals near share Tiomo. No, my share 11. And it said, oh, Sha, 63 games no times 3, but 198 points. And out of 198 points, no, my pick it only 2 points. No, my drop it 197 points. Now, say, oh, share 310 goals. And you said 310 goals hits you. Now, we share 11. Next, our goal difference, a deficit, you can't minus 299. What I say? Our Europe, 299. It is fast forward. Now, say, me share top scorers, and now, me has almost share goals, and now, Safu de Ami Huini, and so me, I'm saying, a career. A branch be a friend of Andy Silva. No, Andy Kemp. Oh, on the top scorer, mining, on our save goals, pow, man, was it 8? Now 8, you know. Obi Bevis said, what about 74 matches? And I was 8. On my name, you know, on the hill, Master Mojan, on the same goals, pa. It's already goal ratio now. 0.100. Very terrible. Now the Otosu 2, no. Manuel Marani.
Oh, no, I should say
2. Otosu 2, no. What about 32 matches? 80 country ni nipa 15 pen na asegu amana certificate yet national team. 13 na aka no bi ase 1-1-1-1 goal. Now 1-1 goal na me hwe matches o ma she dia wa bo matches kese. E wo mo 13 no ma she 1-1 no. Ono ase ono about 66 matches.
okay.
And na the ono so embo kese about 15. What what I'm trying to put across and say, yes, even in Europe no. Few countries like 10, 12, 15 be of them. And now Becca so heavy. But there are so many countries who are Europe. Senko more Africa, there are San Marino ways so more Africa. Enka Afcon, Enka Uganda and Rwanda. Eritrea Munina Beshop, Somalia Beshop. That is something I want us to do. But Real Madrid is a normal cause. You say every Napoleon has his Waterloo. They say I bet say every Real Madrid has PSG. So I tell the American I say.
I said when you
Meninje.
when you
Not a born me Bobby.
no when you say PSG Real Madrid.
Me Meninje.
Where Barcelona fan?
Me Meninje and say Barca be sha na Tottenham.
Oh, okay.
Aya na ebi mu asem emfa me. Team a. Olusu a nde e me de. It's what I say. Ah, young was your mom pie my account, but I according to me. Any Arsenal.
Okay, I know ya a branch here, Frano. Maxo, Nana, Asian, Yabafie, Fisana Adoso, you be a Ramona 999999. I do around no open Cassie and area. Michel ye papa Sanso and Baba Musa champion oil on Moa Enterprise King Mo Michel ye papa still melody in Sembi Atuja Yenties and some Nakaka on a beg or say beg in your Kotoko material or share Kotoko Caliber or share Kotoko and Pempen so do a bad African club football a dear Kotoko Adia I beg you and your Kotoko material.
Silver Sports.
Okay, I know ya Stephen Manu on Abegi. Andy, my mentor someone Stephen Manu at the have to do. I say Abegi Nyakotoko material. Or no compare no ne beg will be only be on so near be a band of slow to me far a band from as I beg you and one way player a footballer or criticize and a young footballer. Yeah.
Adwe. First of all, they all see who say Obia or Kwan also China again. Former players from England, some people players need the now Man United in any man who you know be Boko Bantia or Niger. And you Munana, someone like Obi Jimmy Carragasi, Metissa or both players be a Jan and Mr. Pa, because I saw him. To me, he was just an average player, or say a normal player. Gary Neville wasn't an exceptional quality. But what is a post goes to Monero, Ferdinand, Mokan. These are the big men in the business that showed class on the football play. Think of more points on the book here. Okay, two things. In Tisa, we a footballer and I say a former footballer, a ball cheer. We bet me I catch all a hash.
But Stephen Manu or active or more active football and I say,
well, I'm a new DBS. Whether he's still playing and the great Bakri and so Clark camps. Nti so bi kire na dwen a yema no kwan no kire na dwen o kire na dwen ni wie hwe nipa no scrutinize the system, scrutinize the statement na some no kan and yen hwe address. Nti that is why we need to look at things from o kan yema mienu o se one kotoko standard nya abegi barado me check standard from ono Stephen Manu ho Stephen Manu na nkasa se standard ne ma afema nko nya kotoko mo. That is a fact.
Okay.
Why am I saying that? Nana Hindia, Sheila Alasan, Joe Watchley, Isaac Watchley, Charles Taylor. Never. Minimum. It's mean cooking. Now, Eric Bequin, Kodopo Kumahara, Kobnayara, Louis Adman, Alessa Samuama Kwekwe. Only close to any of these players. Be in Ankasa. It's a place, young boy. But you be a bit in a Bianuka now. But Oboseko to Kojisi Bobo. It tells you how the standard has fallen from the Besu on Oneso, Onura Meture, Onuru Dauda Mohammed, Onuru Soni Yakuba. At a certain point, standard need to be buffed. He now Lasana Diarama Noman and the control room at the food. See, Nebida. And then you Rashford name Masha Mona Lenka the Money anymore. Not the sharing gamone only gonna search at the bench or man you. No mobi. Into football, it me buffem. Yes, so in terms of standard and quality there, be a nan Kasan Washako to Kojesi and the standard now that time now buffem Tino Chebi. He has nothing to wear a Kotoko in terms of standard and class. Onibi. Into ono wonya bi say ya. You should consider Abege at that same position. Say be a standard then so aba fem kakra.
And Abege to my bedroom.
Yes. And I do in world all over. Barcelona has had Javi, Iniesta, Busquets, and they are for the Frankie de Jong near Tamelo. The standard are falling. It is all over. But who are the obetimi idea catch ya? It BA can go personal, but the reality is that BA. So Munana Hindu and as a boy, they were striking for blasters. No more pension foreign players. So who do what and look at your Pokuma Hala money at the Beckham. Be o kotokona boy and they say Abege the never now so far the buy. Not standard number fem. It is for that standard in terms of comparison between him and Abege and putting him in the same bracket.
Oh, okay.
The same asset Abege war here now be an asset here present. Will be only be a Tibo free in summer. But the physical presence will be on my human and more table inside the area. Be baby, I will be out in your own count. That is a fact. At the standard again, Kotoko standard in terms of finances, in terms of quality, and for me, you farm. So what study Juventus? They will not buy a player 130 million pounds. Barcelona better, Real Madrid better. That is the standard of those teams. And the PSG in Manchester City, go play who's gonna boo. Upo the player number. In Africa campaign, in terms of standard, Kotoko cannot be compared to Etoile, cannot compare to AL Ali. Omu team form to Zamalek, Omu team form to Kaiser Chiefs, Omu team form to Sandal. In terms of finances, Kotoko Africa no. Almost say the budget for Africa is 10 billion. Kaiser Chiefs are rejected $1.5 million for Kama Billiard. A 70 billion old cities. Almost so that is the standard of Kaiser Chiefs. Karim Arabia will see a Karim at one or Bonai. A 12 fought on $300,000. A 15 billion on the background is come one. That is the finances of a 2 sportive desire. It is a okay in terms of standard, in terms of finances. Oh, Chachikotoko in recent times in Africa. I beg you don't bet me at all. Because $25,000. I do. So we to Ghanaian players. $20,000 say $1 billion. Not $5,000 now I say 200.
2.5 billion at least.
No, yes. Yes, 12.5 billion. Yes. Abase bo pepepe. Inti koto continue koto kamabili atimaha. Alan Traore is sitting on the bench of RS Berkane. He's a national to be only Alan Traore via in Burkina Faso. He's a top player. Those are the players that are playing for those teams out there. So inti had the Sikasano of them. Simba. Our budget for the Africa campaign is $3 million. I do $3 million. 150 billion. Because of the 10 billion. It is a way of comparative analysis in terms of finances. There, the Kotokubeti me ako out. Ako far bano eya bigi. Because the Kasem wahano ewo fem. Team Sinisika, they don't have sponsors. Umbeti me this Kasebo Bokonima. Omuko abonti omako akofa players omusi academy national teams. Players akesi omode bon so in the African terrain. E di abaha. Tembers one muntime maha. Kakana muntime maha. Justin Ramirez muntime maha. Itiado yenyim tum se we mu a ene wo ha sesi kotokosi kana won de ombeti bi o akofo omode omaba. Obetimi argue say bi wo ha. That is another subject for discussion. And I'm with those people. Say ebi wo ha, the site ni de ebi wo ha. But be in tranche kakra na onya abegi. Now to the Abege himself. And I'm the kind of say I've seen Kotoko strikers. And in any team, you will need one player who acts as a decoy, especially in a 4-4-2 setup. Baku be mabako. Baku link up the mabako. Baku ye juba the mabako. But I do. Season in Bebe, you won't say the same goals. Until you check Cristiano Ronaldo and Karim Benzema. Me mukranwa. Shila lasa ene nana hindua ma memfa Kotoko na example. So what check Shila ne nana hindua. one will sacrifice for the other until you know all the hula balloon and everything will be centered around an India. Yebenya Kwabrayaro near Bequin. It was Kwabrayaro who sacrificed for Bequin to get the goose. Yebenya Kojopoku Mahara near Bequin. Kojopoku Beya Juman Bequin will score goose. Yebenya let's have someone Macquaque. Any Kabiru Moru. Yengu na ya boma Quaquidin. Be Yebenya Meture in that same setup.
Kofinti Boachi.
Any Kofinti Boachi, Yengu near Kameture din. Et what was why the baby see do that time. Nathan la someone will be a tampon. Into the Pia, bring your back or your sacrificial job no edema back. But my point is that I have always argued with players who talk about work rate in terms of striking. Players here making now be on himself last and himself. So the year holding and he said you'll be see a fight to the man and you think a born and casabono on him bo. And over show. See you Kofinti Boachi, near say on your matura and a bon 910. It's Kofinti Boachi fighting for a matura. We bring with Kofinti Boachi and Casa and Bob didn't know how did you be off. See you got your Pokumahara, near so near Bequim 110, near the work rate judge you are much edge Pokumahara. Bonnie but Dico Jopokumahara and someone who you defender, who's a player now born about it. He's a super player. It goes on and on. Obio who been a tampon and I'm to the Bia will tell you. Kwabrayaro, Eric Bequin, same old story. Kwabrayaro go no shot against 11 Wise. Or pick a bone from center, or Kinipa Bakubi Numiansa. Or the bone at him. In as much as one player will sacrifice for the other, that player shouldn't be ordinary. The first I will sacrifice in Jesse also real. And not just who need certain qualities. You need to have those qualities because that is the standard of the club. If the players don't make auxiliary strikers in the adu, almost are they up with goals. Now Emmanuel is like one goals. Not just still goals. Not on potential goals. It's Manado no goals. Luis Adman no goals. Macquarie no goals. Kofinti Boachi no goals. Players are more born within no. They were scoring. It is the reason why. Now me kada biya say I don't want to measure a football work rate. We are like at work rate. Now we mo says in so near the adwuma. Enti ado unima consistently. There be an American eka. Ken ya na maka obere said that the time in Kotoko is fast and gone. They should allow him to move on. Because you cannot be measured by a work rate say about 5 seasons watch a 5. No. Mikaya and Obi told the boy say and the time. When he left, Kotoko have progressed twice in the competition. Obiankan enti abege die no sika na ide abeton eno anya hazard nko na hwie yo se de rema de fo si hwie na ehu no mo hwie papa. But why is everybody talking about Hazard and the coach? To whom much given, much respected. Enti abege na no me see win our best game enye we create the dey ba abeje wo there be
ball na my
hado fa ball to atena as we create. What is we create? Nki ebe kwa kofa number 6 ya bebo no nto tutum likasa se e obi tutum likasa attack ball ye de kwa ko gina ni mota to tontena out work rate. What is work rate?
Okay.
It my point is Adomedema no si no. Be a bit me criticize it. He can talk about the standard baby. Maybe one kasaro body bone of papa. You don't fall within the standard of Kotoko, but you played. Inti na ba femo. No being so bad. Man kakra. No care if the player can just 6 games. He's yet to score $25,000. A foreigner that are paid in dollars. I beg him, I'm not born in Kosovo. I don't tell them on the see.
Okay. Now, Andy, Mazi, my talk on the issue. Still, man, with the other
side. Many are better than us. Because saying a big Edingra connection with Kotoko and Kebe who are Ghana.
So, you know, any attack. Kabe have you?
And here a big Edingra connection.
Kabe have you?
And Cabana go for Achinia and Nam baby. What I say, but I normal say player the water. Obi ho fa, ebi ho a
take time. Ebi won say fa.
Na many a dana say dingra or koi. Na e ka big nke asem kese okroma because we are foreign players indicate be more chance. I hear na nka akọ ha adwo. Ba yen hwe issue ni. Safo yen hwe ade. Obi ono abokotokoda. Ne ebi a me match ola me mbo kotokoda. What I say? why pa na wo ho kwan say team na ye boro betumi aka ho asem pa aka ni
Kan wasa say kan.
oh say me bisa wasem player or no
na wabon betuma aka.
What team need be that?
Na wabon betuma aka.
Whatever it takes on Kotoko field, whatever you go through, whatever to do, he has been there before. Any of the Amen match will have never been there. I only go as spectator and watch and comment. Who can really say it well?
Oh, now what Bobby done?
Ain't it be a can ya wakan and no. Because in life, you can say he who feels it knows it. What it takes to wear Kotoko jersey to even play. How many years did he play?
I think I'm supposed to say 3 seasons.
Even if one season cry, it's not easy. Could be more last 1 season. It's Andy. Me no one yarding.
Oh no, Concasa on
also my main casa.
What
na yanka several issues and because I don't agree with you. Mokasa mokabi. Normal, we are all doing discussions. There is nothing wrong with what I'm saying. I'm only saying say menene yarding normal. Just as he also does always normal and yet offensive. So what I'm trying to say is which of the Kotoko strikers now banging including Bia abege ya de sen no ba ko pehwan fiti see e take Kotoko team ni na be sin ne striker ben na ba Kotoko all through a e be abege ahead of that striker ye hwan
can I answer?
Oh yeah, no problem.
Pardon. This is a player who has played 6 games. We have had players are here can say comparison.
We're
talking about players are Max, will be about 2 years, will be about 3 years, will be about 4 years, will be about 5 years. The measurement will be different.
Yes,
the measurement will be different.
But the attorney says we are also assessing him with just the 6 games. No, we are not assessing him for the years to come. We are talking about the 6 games.
Until the question will be players Ben about Kotoko.
Very good. You see the problem. Problems that they be because as way. Say a local player and can be crucified. Me boy. Be a foreign player, mo be ya find area to defend the person. It is wrong. Maybe me and sure. August no crowd back to know about how many matches.
August no crowd. Two matches.
That's how many young come.
Mama say you know the
same.
last week yeah. And I'm a say Richard Atane George Abegi. Omunche because if he were Yakuba in those games he will score. Most of the time I compare matches Makuma 5 for Yakuba about onche. I'm okay 7 years. Minyam to was your mom. What has changed?
Dear change there. In the third game Yakuba played and Atta scored, Yakuba did not score. And he told us Yakuba ball better one Shabata no and he scored. So that is the difference. Meaning say Yakuba will be scoring a lot for us. But in that game that is what happened. As someone make kind and say Okra call local blasters crown. Yen nyina na ye ka say they ball no buy our ball my fan. Is that not true? Is that not true? Yankawa. Then he scored there. And not back Kotoko big game no heading or they say after we all criticizing that he's not scoring. And I make cause yen nya abotre.
But Richard the ball no form.
Me pa what mate. Mate.
But I beg you no form pa but Richard dey so.
Mate. And I because yen nya abotre goals ni beba. Na see there be or I saw a ball. I don't call local blaster for say big game. Sandy catcher was a big game of a big game. He scored. Me what? Your boy in a big say. What is the issue? No issue. Meaning out here. But I make kind of say Obedo Usu. Obedo Usu. One no goes.
No on time.
So Yankas on Yadia Momam. Me patch on me what?
How many seasons? About 5 seasons.
Still, I had yes, a dinga. Or yeah, there's a baby. Okay. By your pamanos, meboa. We Yakubu and Pamon. Yet your call, Elmina Saxon. He was even leading our top scoring, whatever you answer. Felix, what's your Pamon? No, Jago. Few matches or boy, one go no call. In Italian, no video, or no free Biaba, no, Yadian, and no, so yes, you can't get no one. Ye pay excuses the man. The only things I saw a year no. And that's my make the count. I saw a year no. Because Kotoko level on the Sabbath, Kotoko Mafom. Kotoko Mafom because she. To be in Kase 20 years ago send ye bobo sa na ye bobo ne but the other one say Kotoko eto last time on bag Ghana no score say with Kotoko sad team na ye why say Kotoko ye hu bi na kwa say and this time on bag na kwa say nti e form ne we dey eto afo so team na change ya sa na Kotoko so change ado dey the record na Kotoko aye ne ye dey kan minim sa wo ti ase a nti level ne ma form but enne so we mu na o nti na me ka say nkwala ye dey o mu course no mo di 5 7 8 10 years no the next 10 15 years they will tell us that your time ne pa na be hwe guess no kra na be hwe biggest the same thing minim say what ase a nti a result say say nyame ya do na Kotoko qualify for Champions League zone your friends a money zone would you say first team no man qualify ne better than we are say nyame ya do ne ye koje a would you say first team no man qualify for money zone better than we are it doesn't work that way. Inti obi opinion for example me I have me say Pogba one of my favorite players but Andy Muso say Pogba is not good normal
opinion like no
yes inti Steven Menu no opinion wa change boni a wa ye and only who kwan say obekasa like o say player bobo obeka bibi in as much as obetumi aka say oh doctor ya de Kotoko enwinyo o ma ya de the same thing as a player bi so no feel say the player is not good obetumi no criticize the player na ends sorry. So Richard Menu kasa bege nyade and nti na ma bege on shegua
na be mo so say Richard performance no
better than a bege at least
that time
na
no so na enya kra
only a bege head to head Richard Menu better than a bege that is a fact
so
head to head
Steven Menu
Steven Menu head to head only a bege
so that is your opinion
obi to say very pa into ombro no so na intent so what here pa dia na say enye kro ombro no so enti obi ono so ye former player no ono so what the right to speak Pogba money adi nyina no Manchester Express o mo criticize o ya kwachi obi enti the ono be kan no but enye na be ma bege entumi mmobo be mo criticism sinema oye den wogire ho in any case safo me unimbo obi aka che mo adum say be bia mo no unimbo pa o kan na me gidi e o so ball a ball na ehu na me bisa wasem unimbo pa safo se wona wo ye Kotoko chairman ana wo ye Kotoko coach ana wo ye Kotoko ni a wo do Kotoko pa ni ama $25,000 se kwa Africa ko fa striker blanka bege na de be ba na wo de yima nka bege na de be ba it's all is not well Uganda play and back Ghana o tie on free Uganda o buy one mobo enti abege de no one na de na be backfire de be backfire me say utie how many games there here ya the recruiter abege 2 games as a striker. Or share say.
Master me twa no coach so recommend
me ba ho.
Oh yeah that recommendation. Coach no enso ye jan coach no kwan.
Me ba ho. Me ba ho. O see 2 games na mo dey assessing the cover as a striker. Sa 2 games no share saying no ma assist saying. No put the defense under pressure saying because these are the work of an attacker. Ni nyina 0-0-0. No be a choice am no when 0 no wakofa na ba baby so ombeli di class no omuntwa nko university is it done that way the only difference am o buy and say or your foreign player it's I see enya foreign player e Kotoko fine eno de nka me ma so meti as yesu enya foreign taste na me dia me kan say player bi wo kro nimbo ba be recruit no emfa minim so what I say it's no nche so obi akoje obi sika na obi akoye we but no kura say see e kan no kura ni player no agere no say de catch Ghana for man no ade na Ghanaians no mo Kotoko foreigners are they all not Kotoko players so why do we have to treat them differently
I'm treat them differently
yeah it's true me say Ghana ni striker dey boss abo and he crucify no Ghana me say Obed your friend say
Obed Owusu
onu kwa ye call Simba on na say go nya abotre on na say go was Simba o he
was given a lot of time a lot of chances
was he not
scoring about 6 matches
was he not scoring
maybe problem is say Obed Owusu Obo Kotoko 5 good years how many goals must
Atta know about how many matches near started here fire
Atta won the fire Richard Atta
hey
no Max are you sure you won the fire Richard Atta I want to know even on the snooker won the fire
sir what ya na ye ka say Atta striker wa kwa ba mo se one wa ye kese 2 on to me 2 minutes.
And I'm also
oh boss, I'm saying me floor.
One
say we only 1 shot or say 2 strikers have only 1 shot on target in 4 games. Me what? Me what?
Me kai itibo.
Na ata ko say. Me ba e studio here.
Me na me kai.
I say Andy say on the kai. But Andy say on car say
abege ya. Maso na me
Debbie. Tie. Oh, don't me.
Debbie me maso ma me kai. E na ori ya say.
Andy say maso the problem is say.
Ma me come
out you criticize
Ghanaian boys no.
Ghanaian
so
boys.
for na bisu nya dia do the same thing.
No, mo bana money so nya dia.
You do the same thing.
And I'm telling you say. I'm not for that big yard.
I say big yard but all kasa Steve Melu na ni kwa kasa.
Wait, your friend, who your house be a man can me.
Oh, that me you
Get so chow.
Oh, give me sure. My yankai as no now be defend you. Asam na me kan nyina ne say. Ya me kan nyina ne say. Studio hey Andy. You criticize Atta. So what kick only 1 shot.
Is it wrong?
And you're wrong. Accepted and you're wrong. But what now Atta about how many matches?
He has played 6 games.
Now beg you so about saying.
And who said I beg you Adam?
Who's your on the young man time?
Oh, you didn't listen to me and you are reacting to what I said. You know me, sir. Don't paint the picture that me say I beg you me kind. And you know if I'm giving and you know if I'm giving that amount, I'm not going for a big. You know, once again, only in recruitment. I'm here. 7 million, 16 players now. No, how many players? 16 players now. I'm afraid no 5. 8 good. Maybe, master, me,
16 players. Who are afraid to say?
5. I'm afraid 5.
Then the players now perform.
What's the make perform? I'm perform on a place. Will be on my 2 years. No, you are. Let me. As a man, kind. Anyone who's on it. Anyone who's on it. Master now. Me must not make. I've never seen me man. Who you local player market side of foreigner. I've seen better players. Me man who be queen, me who I do me who na India. I've seen Makwekwe. I've seen Kojo Pokumahala. No my be president Abegi. For what? I've seen top quality. Man who players in the So why should I praise Abegi? And I'm saying that the standard has fallen. That is why Abegi is playing for Kotoko. I give an example of Kama Billiard. Kaizer Chiefs averaged $1.5 million. Kotoko $1.5 million from the Koto player. Kotoko $1.5 million from the Koto player. The budget for the Africa is 10 billion. Simba is the budget for the Africa and 150 billion. So I'm saying that Minka say he played for 5 seasons and scored 6 goals. Timbe no what chance on the it is only Kotoko. Until my point I make matter. Okay. Me can't be other and I will never and ever say. The point I'm making is be now all can. If he's talking about standard, he has no quality to wear the Kotoko jersey. They're the players of my Kotoko anymore. And I'm saying that I beg you for with the same standard.
Oh, no,
because I'm not pressing on me. And Master told me say, why should you judge a striker by work rate? Now, Jenko fan number 6 over to the car park.
Okay, Master,
you see, they are make sure they say, be
Stephen Man.
Yeah, Waboko to Koda.
Yeah.
Well, it's a me Maxwell, a member border. Maybe I know some mobile me correct. Any do not see this ya Boko to cost 3 years. Why ne him how to criticize the Kotoko player well?
No, I will be done.
Into criticize a bigger, nothing wrong with his comment.
It is wrong. That statistics we are former players on Aboko to be
dead.
Until the fact that you no matter the fact that you play for Kotoko, maybe anyone Kotoko penny be to stadium. Me man strikers on my back Kotoko more in the last 10 years.
Of course.
Say we 10 goals on set, we 8 goals on set, we on set. Until if you have statistics of those players, it will help you to back your claim down. A former player or no not gain or better.
Former player has been there before. You see, that is the mistake we do. Even in coaching, my main kind of branch now. Coaching. Or more my board down.
I know when you're heavy, I will coaching.
But the brain are heavy compared to a more board. Or more board, I say they heavy coaching.
Just a few.
Yes. So if you have been there before, he who feels it knows. It's not a broach that. Or more my board than a ball. It's not a ball cost. But what baha? And you're more my board than moon a ball. It's the answer ball cough from no. You'll be more money aboard about more nally by your defra. Meaning so what I say. Yen shall say Nina and Casse, dear Nina and say. abege yere wo ho because one ma mencho untumi me yekotoko strike na obobo na nko force re it doesn't happen wakotoko menka so wasen ba ongere no ho
but me
and na ma mensa ntwa ade bi se wokoto abege $25,000 which is 2.5 billion na de obonia na se player bi wakotoko na oboni na o ka se bo 5 billion obeka se dey die nti eso oyere no ho no Yakuba ono yere agere no ho mbache what I say as a foreigner no buy why then why you know set standard until we are okay so obona nko ekwe ni so oh Yakuba ne dey amfa that's all
but as big than at what
we a foreign player no ba say we adumaden $25,000 na 2.5 billion na sesafo me pacho he se me meti adumam
aka 1 minute
mate ana wo ti adumam ne bi aduma no wo ya de pa na obi ono no ya de ye money pay more than wo bumfu wo complain ko abubefu
three
normal ade e standard nti de kan nyina ne se nyame ne da ne se yenya abege adingra connection organ nti aka abege nko a sani ya pame te sani ya pame Yakubu sani ya pam Obed sani nyina na performance even Boateng kura no head to head no bi ti ya pam no yes performance nko ye
Mauli was
enye se Mauli o se wan nti nye se abege free Uganda nti see a can say he should perform great if Uganda so me bobo me dey America nyina no but say ye Ghana for so nkwala na sa abotre na munya mo na no musu munya abotre sa abotre na Richard Atashe go na ye say 2 ya na ye dey ama eto awo so won anti me dey America no
but so me da say okay but so na SNN so edie no ya se me ma mente unkan tempa na house mo se mo ye den
o se ye wo ho
mo ye den abiem se house den na mo ye
me be ka de na unche DJ Bam o chef mo house for DJ for mo ya house pa on na number 1 oni Tofi Gonja on so wayi house of folk we say now ka akambi house de obi anka se ko onpedo akambi obi a pe na mom
you do what I say about because we asema we say go the na mom
say wo no
twi na wo kan no
asema wo kan no say yes why we nya ke
anya man na say man say onkoto koko e ma place o ba no o say busume 55,000 koko nko 5,000 ko say anya man na mo say mo man ska so mfa onko hide na ma place o mo huska me na me kan
obi kra ya man sika me ba me se me kan ya man sika no o sisi ke say na man o so woni so wa page fe present we ya ye nipa o ko pick for my ye nti ye obi o page fe present do ka no ye man sika say o so woni
say mo decide
say o sisi o mo sika no mi minima o ba jimi adi
say mo decide say mo de ma
ye mpanifo na tenase
say o do 10
Vincent so wa o do 3
iti adenti na mama
de nti ya mo akam sa akam bi ko pl bi wo sa ko ga kanti ga ka ho no ebituma anya posi wo ho na o do 3 so akọ efe ho nti na aye na sa no enye ko kontira
alaji be ko ga ka na we akọ na me ka say o pick form no alaji ka bi pick form has ex management member bi not the same good iti has abafo ama e say alaji ka bi na airby executive council
na wuni nko akwa 100% no mutim anya has onka obi an not even odo to fa akra bi obetu so the house on the city say anto he nto obi an na gene nti no ya settle on odote nti ana grant so nu se wa tukan na kwa brochire nti bi obasan
okoyeden okoko na say okohwe
the family no hono nti next week obaba na bibia to so kama na ayi ana house of supporters ya 5 players ndo muda so local blaster nti Sunday baka kwa support local blaster ni nyina anye ye players no kwa nti for first na ya na amu ifra no ma fra house back no na na bench is o fra house
then modern mo
is it cry ka say o fra blaster
na say modern mo
ana me say ka say o fra 7 na be
na kotoko place ni say o
so mo ye be 7
ana house say
5
ano je say kotoko bo champions
nye champions
ana house bo
kotoko ana edmo na akaso ye kotoko ni so ana ya support the so Ken University
okay
and no mo fra me say omo don so onu pa ya ya mra nti me ka che mpanfo ni akọ no ko so mo se da no omo kamu bo no mo ko no mo se omo hwe omo amye house na omo me kotoko na mo se ko bia yi house je so bia yi kotoko omo yi je si na omo amye house je so don se kotoko ni ti ya ya mra ho nti ne ye be ko no ma ko ye ana Stephen Miller no asem na waka no o dabi tie wudi say
Kahasa se.
You cover player this okay me ka asasa. You cover Kofi Koji or second division player. Now we boy we boy we timi twa bi ma o wi wura no. Na se akofa from Uganda. Na se win timi mba. Say waka. So, ntino waka because you cover do akofa from
waka was we. Oh, me say where we. So time aso.
Ah kakra.
Me say time aso. Oh.
You be ko onabo ko no onabo em say wa ya alaji. Nti nyame adma sande be ko na chomo ko enso ni cha no ya mpanifo no so
monya na monkosa
bi mu akosara but still ma mu won no ma so mo fra en no mo ba ma no ma say ya adma pa nti ya mo fra na mo ncha no na mi ye Master Alex o si mo fa mo ka cheze fa o car bra na onye no
enika
oh u ka anti hu
the catcher Master Alex on talk about no mo nje ma me talk na me fa ma no
ma ka chere no use no na ya ye banti ma mi cha and anoche so concern support ba ko ba no Prince Ali yinte no so me cha no pa
okay I know ya Yasmin has a folk rap or the has some no ego wato lotto agent awo Abreport Junction no penka se mi cha so and Fred pop 31 manager say obeba ho na ko say obeba pop 31 weekend as say birthday party no that's so den. Okay, me be lines no make my friend now watch share again number 0200 77 14 17 0200 77 14 17 and I say 0541